What is going on, everybody? Welcome back to my channel, RedLineMods. Like I said, the next one we're going to be doing is the interior carbon fiber covers, and the look is going to be awesome after this is complete. Check this out. Check out all the goodies he got. That is crazy. Look at all these. It's a full interior carbon fiber covers pretty much. And I'll show you guys how it looks right now and then how it'll look afterwards. And also, I know you're going to be asking, hey, where'd you get that piece from? I can't find it. You're probably looking for it. I'll just put the link in the description below for these guys. So I appreciate your support. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Enable all notifications if you have to. Well, you should actually, so you're notified on the upcoming videos. Check out that front Yover's lip I installed for him. It's from AeroWorks Sports. If you decide to buy something from them, spoilers, taillights, anything like that, just grab my code. It's RLM5. You get a nice discount, and I appreciate you using that code. And let's see what the interior looks like right now. All right, this is what the interior looks like right now. See the sides? That's the sides right now, kind of plain. And then this side's also, and it's gonna go also on this as well. This right here, the whole panel up here, and then this center console area, including that. I hope he got the right one for the center one, because I know there's like two different types. So let's fingers crossed for this one. And he's also got it for, I believe, all 4 doors on that side. Like those on the side curved, and all 4, including he even got it for this as well, and also this trim piece right here, and also it's gonna go on this as well. Yeah, let's see. And this as well, this is a big one right here. This is where it's gonna go as well. It's gonna look really nice. And the sides too, I believe, I just checked it. That's where it's gonna go too. That's awesome. So let's get to it. We'll see how it looks. All right, so besides being dirty, this is how it looks. Check it out. It's awesome. That as well. See that? Sides, including that's done. It looks a lot better. Steering wheel. That side right there. See that? That's how it looks, guys. Came out great. Looks awesome. And then same thing in the rear as well. Like that, see? It's perfect. Alright guys, if you liked it, the links are in the description below. Looks a lot nicer now.